Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you want to activate a Zong eSIM, then this video is for you. Here is the step-by-step guide how you can register, how you can complete a eSIM registration and activation. And here is the process. Like customer has to visit nearest Zong customer service center or franchise to get eSIM. eSIM can be availed by book your number option or by replacing any existing Zong number with eSIM. After BVS verification or BYN or SIM replacement, MSISDN or ICC ID will be mapped with eSIM profile. A physical voucher having eSIM QR code will be handed over to the customer. So customer has to scan the QR code by following below process to download eSIM profile. The device or the mobile should be connected to internet or Wi-Fi. Select cellular settings from the device settings options. Then select add cellular plan option under cellular settings. Open mobile camera to scan the QR code. Once the code is scanned, eSIM profile will be downloaded on device and eSIM will be ready to use. Now, here is some specific activation process for iPhone and for your Android phone. So if you're an iPhone user, then make sure iPhone X, iPhone XS Max or iPhone X is updated to iOS 12.1 and above, and our rest of the model is already updated upper than this iOS version 12.1. So then scan the QR code provided by their agent, then go to settings and go to cellular. Select add cellular plan to launch the camera automatically. Use your iPhone to scan the QR code. And if you're an Android user, then make sure your eSIM enabled Android handset is updated to the latest version. You can check eSIM enabled handsets in handset support section below. So scan the QR code provided by their agent, then go to settings, SIM card manager, then select eSIM and add mobile plan to launch the camera automatically. Make sure that your device does support eSIM. Use your phone to scan the QR code. Your eSIM is ready to use. So here is an important note for you that in iPhone, in some variant, there like Chinese variant and the Indian variant doesn't support eSIM. Actually, they only supports dual physical SIM. So if you're any iPhone variant using any iPhone variant that are not supported eSIM, so you can actually add eSIM to that iPhone. So make sure that you are aware about this. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.